We're really excited to share that Fairfax County's YouTube channel just passed 10,000 subscribers, and this is a huge accomplishment. George Mason University, I believe their arena holds about 10,000, so that's a lot of people. But really, when we looked into it, we discovered that less than 6% of all subscriber-based channels have 10,000 subscribers. So this is really important because we know these are people that want to hear from us, are clicking a button and subscribing. So it's a big milestone. Another important factor, this winter we went over 5 million views collectively. It just shows people are interested in this content. We work in collaboration with the video production team at Channel 16, but also all of our county agencies. And that's the real value here. All of our agencies, 50 agencies, have great content. They have great stories. They have information that they want to be sharing. So we all work collaboratively, making sure we're getting those stories together, working on the production angle, putting that together in a package, and then using the YouTube platform to share that information with our community. YouTube is the second most visited website in the world. Here in Fairfax County, we want to connect our community to the information going on here, and where else better than on YouTube? It's just another great opportunity to reach people where they already are. Our main mission is to connect people to services, information, and programs, and this is just another great opportunity to do that.